We just saw our first whales in Oregon.
It was so cool.
We're on Cape Sebastian Trail right now. It's a beautiful trail. Couldn't really show you the whales because they're a little far out. You can't see it that well. We have our own beach all to ourselves. Woo! Oops, I forgot about Christina. I'm sorry. I thought she was behind me. Woo! Getting in the water, first time. Here we're sitting in these waves. Woo! What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Woo! Woo! Get it, buddy. Go. 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 Wait.